Alright guys, so today I'm gonna present the beautiful Welsh rarebits to be in competition with the French versions. So let's see what happens.
And me, I'm gonna present the French croque, monsieur. I think it's going to be the English one.
We are going to get some shopping before we start, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's see who's gonna win this time.
Yeah.
I bet I'm gonna win.
No, me.
Guess what, guys? In this shop, they have an English aisle. All the English products.
Who likes marmalade?
No, Marmite.
Oh, marmalade.
Okay, I'm going for my English mustard, which I'm gonna need. So, which mustard are you gonna take?
I'm not sure. Aha. I think I'm gonna take the French one, the original one, because I think it's the best one and it's going to beat the English one.
No, my British mustard is much better.
I think the English one is a bit too yellow. French for the win!
Okay, that's it. We are in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I'm gonna beat you this time.
So now I'm going to melt 50 grams of butter, and then when all the butter's melted, I'm going to put 2 spoonfuls of flour.
Right.
Okay, now we're going to put 2 mountainfuls of flour. And now we're going to mix it.
That's how you do bechamel.
Yeah. Okay, so now we need to cook the flour. And now we're going to put a bit of milk, slowly.
Now it's gonna thicken straight away.
Yeah. Can you help me pour the milk?
Yeah. There you go. Oh, it's thickening. Oh, so you mix it very well like that, okay.
Yeah.
How much milk until nice consistency?
Yeah. Until it looks really thick.
Oh, yes, beautiful cream.
Yeah.
A bit more milk, and that should be done, no?
Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to put some seasoning in. A pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Then mix it. I might use the whisk. Now I'm going to add 50 grams of Emmental cheese. Then mix that up.
Oh, it's very cheesy.
Yeah. So now we're going to taste it and see if it needs a bit more salt because the cheese is already salty.
Okay.
It's good.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Good seasoning?
Yeah?
It's very cheesy, right?
Yeah, really. So now we're going to add a bit of...
Nutmeg. That's the one.
Yeah?
That's very specific for bechamel.
Yeah. Just a little pinch like salt and pepper.
Oh yeah, because it's quite strong.
Yeah.
I would put two pinch.
2.
To spoil his recipe.
Just going to mix it up.
Mmm, delicious.
Yeah. Smells really good. I'm going to taste it with the nutmeg. It's good.
Okay.
So now we're going to put off a bit of bechamel all around the bread. And now we're gonna get a bit of ham. And then a little bit of bechamel again in the middle, just so the lid can stick. And then just a bit more bechamel on the top. So now we're going to put a little sprinkle of cheese on the bechamel, the top.
Whoa.
Lots of cheese. And now we're going to put it in the oven and then see how it comes out.
Great. I guess it's my turn.
Yeah.
They look pretty nice.
You're gonna lose.
No, I don't think so. Okay, and let's grate some of my cheddar. I couldn't find a big block of cheddar, so I found some little slice like that. France, they have nothing. I'm gonna try to grate it. Nice. All right, so 1 egg yolk. I'm gonna keep the egg white into a clean bowl. 1 egg yolk. Oops. Little bit of course, English mustard.
Wow.
Just a tiny pinch, just to spice it up a bit. A bit of a Worcestershire sauce. Mmm.
That looks yummy.
Not too much either. And then a bit of spicy sauce. Just because British are not scared of spicy. There. Now we're gonna mix that up.
Smells like ketchup.
Yeah, that's the Worcestershire sauce.
Wow.
That does this. Alright, cool.
That looks good.
So this is my wetty cheese. And I'm gonna whisk my egg white. That's it.
Looks good.
Okay, now I'm gonna add my whipped egg white.
Wow, it looks good.
I think so. But you have ham. But actually your ham is French. It's not as good as the British.
No, it's not as good.
I bet a croque monsieur made in England will taste better than
Here.
the croque monsieur made in France.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna add quickly some black pepper. I forgot. No need salt because the cheddar is quite salty. That's it. Alright, so my toast are a little bit toasted first. Just to make sure to don't get a soggy bottom. And I'm gonna put my cheese on top, my mixture.
That looks good.
Oh yeah, baby. Not bad.
Mine's winning.
He's dreaming, that boy. Actually, I think he will.
Yeah. Let's open the oven.
Okay.
No, it's just
Don't drop the British one, huh?
no, never.
Don't burn it, huh? Don't burn it.
Never. Then we just wait.
Okay, until nice and golden color.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Oh my goodness, mine is ready. Whoa, it's nice and golden.
Cheesy.
Beautiful. Okay. Just need to wait for the Frenchie now. Oh, that smells really nice. So that's it, Nono?
Yep, the French one is finished.
Oh.
And the English.
Oh wow, yours looks beautiful. Nice. Mine's a bit flat.
Yours look good too.
Mine will be lovely on a sourdough bread.
Oh, yeah.
A slice of crispy sourdough bread.
Mm-hmm.
But we have the same bread too.
Yep.
So it's plain, the bread is plain, we just have to judge the filling then.
Yep. So which one should we do first?
I don't know. No, I think let's try the English first.
Okay, English.
So. Crispy toasty.
Wow, that looks good.
Yeah. The cheese is like very moussey.
I like it. It's like a cheese cracker, but with toast. I like it. That's a little snack.
Yeah, it tastes lovely. With a salad, it would be lovely.
Yeah. I can eat this all day.
And the styles.
This one's gonna be hard.
It's yours?
Haha.
What do you mean, haha?
Look at it.
Yeah. So creamy. Oh, my slice of ham is gonna fall over.
If it was a beauty test, which one's prettier? I think mine would win.
Yeah. Yours is pretty.
Yeah.
Well, it's gonna be hot.
Yes, hot.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's all the same.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. I'll eat it like this.
Okay. I think I made my mind.
Yeah, me too. Huh? Oh.
Wait a minute. It's not fair. You have a slice of ham.
So, if I had to pick one and I had to eat it forever, I'll pick that one.
No way. Really? Why? What's wrong with the croque monsieur?
It's just too big. And it's a big of a mess. When you cut it, it's just going to go everywhere. That one stays in. I'm going to pick that one.
No. On the croque monsieur, you have the little crispy cheese licking here on the side. And it tastes so good. And it's creamy. It's like a big cuddle.
I'm going to pick that one.
So, me, I'm gonna stick to the croque monsieur. Even if this one is really delicious and the cheese, the flavor of the cheddar is amazing with all those little mustard and Worcestershire sauce. But I'll go for that.
And I picked that one, but I think I changed my mind to that one. Because that one's prettier, it's more consuming, and you're right about the little cheese flake on the side.
Yeah, the cheese flake on the side is delicious.
Yeah, and it makes you more filled up, so you're not hungry after.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, the croque monsieur win!
Yeah!
I'm gonna have to find a recipe to win. Oh, I know. Next, fish pie. Pah, you're dead. You can't pick that one. You are joking.
Yeah. I just wanted the British to win, but that one's actually tasting better.
This one tastes better, right?
Yes.
You wanted the British to win.
Yes.
Oh, bless you. Bless him.